How to trade Bitcoin right now? Well, it's very simple. Here is a range we are in at the moment. The only thing we need to do is to trade this range until it breaks. It's as simple as that, really. To trade the targets I'm going to give you, you simply have to read an order flow. This is an order flow. You can see what's happening behind the market in the background, really. It's telling you really what's going on. And so, well, if you read the data behind the market, it's hard to be wrong, right? Of course, you cannot be 100% sure this is trading, but you're going to make some more informed trading decisions. So to come back on the chart here, the only thing we need to do is to look for a short around the top of the range and to look for a long around the bottom of the range. So what we can look for here, it's very simple. First of all, we have this swing failure pan right here. A swing failure pan is just when you take the previous high, come back down directly and close below the previous high. Once we have done this, we want to get, of course, some specific reaction on the order flow, for example an MC short reaction that you can learn on our website. And once you have done this, well, you have the swing failure pan set up. If now there is no swing failure pan, we can simply look for the range top plus a swing failure pan of the previous high. When you are coming into this range high or the range low, you're simply going to look for another swing failure pan or a failed auction. So the swing failure pan, you just go above, come back down directly, close below the previous high, and you get the good short reaction you want to get on the order flow. This is a swing failure pan. For a failed auction, what's happening is really you just get acceptance really above, you spend some time, you either have some big liquidations on the order flow or you have some trap longs. If you have some trap longs, it's better to get absorption, so we see that we are absorbing all these longs coming in, and from here you want to get the MC short reaction to reverse this. It's simple as that, really. Now the thing is, what if we break this range to the upside? For a good breakout, we can simply look for an increase in volume. So you can see, for example, here in the table, the first line here is a volume. You want to see normally a bigger volume than the previous high, plus a good positive delta showing the strength really of the move to push higher. If we have to push higher, what target we can look for really to the upside? We can simply look here for this value at a high level around $53,700. This will be the first target really if we have to break through this range on Bitcoin. So now we are ready in case we push to the upside. We know exactly where we have to look for a short trade. So now the thing is, what if we go below here and have to look for a long or maybe even break this range to the downside? Well, the first target will be simply the swing failure pan here of this bottom plus the bottom of the channel. Again, in this target, we simply want to get a good reaction on the order flow. If there is no reason to long on this, we're simply going to look for a move to the downside and the range to be broken right here. If we break that range, it's very simple. Again, we simply have to look for what I just said before on the top, a swing failure pan or a failed auction. Something you have to be aware of is that just below the low we have done, we have a single print. A single print is exactly the same than a gap. So when you have a gap on the chart, when you get acceptance into the gap, you expect it to be filled. A single print is exactly the same direction, really. If you get acceptance into the single print, you're simply going to expect it to be filled. And so if we fill a single print here, we're simply going to go to the bottom of it that is coming around 50,000. In addition to this, we can add some more confidence. We can look for the daily level. You can see just right there that is around 49,700. So this will be the first target if we have to break this range to the downside. This is just very simple. We just have to wait for the targets to be hit and trade the reaction on the order flow. Of course, I'm saying it is very simple. It's not simple to read an order flow. It's a bit complex, but as always, it's created by humans, so everyone can learn this, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Good luck for your trades and catch you all in the next one.